This is how everyday materials are transformed into the products we use. This factory doesn't sell food, but what happens here may still end up on your plate. Behind the gate, an entire room is alive. They multiply fast. In rooms like this, one batch becomes millions. This is how they are raised. Fed fast, so they grow faster. When the trays are full, they're collected for processing. From the breeding rooms, the insects move straight into processing. The first step is heat. The insects are quickly boiled. After heat, the insects are drained and dried. This is the final step. The insects become protein powder. Packed in bulk, without any consumer label. Once it leaves this gate, the source disappears. Here, it becomes just another ingredient. By this stage, nothing shows where it came from. The problem is not what this factory makes. The problem is nobody can see where it finally goes. Somewhere in this store, one of these products contains an ingredient that once passed through that factory, and standing here you would never know which product it became. If you enjoyed this process, like the video and subscribe for more documentaries like this.